My name is Ryan. I'm a teacher. I had Trello and I switched to Google Sheets. For more info, please click below. We use Trello and Google Sheets for work order flow, for assigning teams to certain projects and keeping each other updated on the tasks of those projects. Google Sheets is really best for visualizing work order flow for many tasks at once, sending pings to people working on the project, working on multiple projects at once using different tabs, as well as working on projects at the same time as other people. Trello is good at directly attaching links such as images or videos to projects. That way people can see what you're working on, or especially if you're working on graphic design of some sort. It's also good at keeping groups of people separate on different projects. That way you're not constantly notified about projects you may not be interested in or currently working on. Google Sheets is a little bit more difficult to get started with. There's no actual tutorial on the software itself. You have to go find videos or other websites in order to help you get started. That being said, the many features definitely make it worth it. Trello is way easier to get started with, as it's typically a visual type of software. You click things that are made with a very friendly user interface in order to start projects and add people to it. When selecting this type of software, it's really good to look for more functionality. Ease of access is really not going to be a concern if this is going to be something that a company or an individual is going to use for a long period of time. You're also going to want to look for integration with other apps, allowing yourself to be able to attach or even pull in other apps in order to use your software.